guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have any video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey bills, how you guys doing? So guys, enough of the talking today. I'm just going to make it top P. Beautiful, glamorous, kind of rose gold smoking eye look ish situation going on my face. I'm really feeling this look like period. You can tell me now. Super all over the place. So guys, to achieve this look, I use the Marvyn Magnificent eyeshadow / Bhcosmetics palette. You guys have seen me several times use the palette, so this was a look I have on my mind, and I decided to go for nude glossy lips. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. You learned something, is helpful. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look. And without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye makeup look and lip combo, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. All right, I said it before. Anyways, no long talking. As I always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love, this ciao. Mwah. Hey guys, what it do? Let's jump into this eye. Everything is done. To prime my lid, I'm going to be taking the L.agirl HD concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I'm going to be taking my brush. Whoa, hold on, do not forget and do not skip the setting powder. My god, baby girl, what are you thinking? So right now, to achieve this eye look, I'm going to be taking the Marvyn Magnificent palette by Bhcosmetics. This is what I'm going to use to achieve this eye look. I'm going to be taking this shade called Rooftop, this shade right here, for my transition color. Marvyn, this brush right here, smaller brush. I'm going to be taking this shade called Crusty, this shade right here called Crusty. I'm going to use the first brush by Beautyartist. I'm just going to blend out the edges very softly before I go in with the next shade. I'll be taking this shade called Super Cute, this shade right here, Super Cute. I'm just going to apply that exactly where I applied the first two shades. I'm going to be taking this shade called Breakdown. Just going to blend out the edges very softly. Shade called The Beach, this one right here, The Beach. MAC Fix Matte Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray my brush like so. Just like so. Crazy in Love, that is going to be my lid color. It's a beautiful rose gold shade. Guys, inside this palette we have 5 highlighter. I'm going to be taking this one right here called Self-Made, this one right here. It's a very tiny bit. Yes, you see what I mean? Just elevate the look. just right there. I'm not going to transfer it upwards again. And taking this shade, these two shades, Super Cute and Breakdown, Super Cute and Breakdown together. I'm just going to kind of, you know, dab on the edges a little bit. I'm going to line my eye. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner. But firstly, let me just smoke it out, as you can see me do. If you want, you can go ahead and do your wing liner. But in these parts, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to smoke it out. Background, this shade right here, and I'm going to mix it with this. I'm going to smoke my lash band out. Just watch me do that. Take the same shade, I'm going to blow that on my bottom eye. I'm going to go in with this Nars mascara. These eyelashes, this is my favorite Amazon affordable lashes. This one is in G800. Yep. This side is out, so I just had to use this side. I don't normally like this side, but I'm trying to like it because throwing it away is like a waste of coins. So you know, we don't like to waste our shmoney. We work super hard for the shmoney. We need to use it properly. Line my lips with my Maybelline Lipliner. So guys, for lipstick, I'm going to be taking this Catrice lipstick Ultra Matte High Nude. Here we go, High Nude. Catrice. I didn't know I have something like this. And it's super pigment, as you can see. It has a lot of coverage. How do I look like? Cute, right? I'm looking super glamorous right now. You can tell me nothing. This MAC lip gloss. And what is this called? Oops, this is called Natural Freak Pink Glass. Natural Freak Pink Glass, okay? Natural Freak Pink Glass. Pglass. So yeah, boom.